How to delete Discord server. If any day you would like to delete your Discord server but you do not have any idea on how to delete your Discord server, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you go to the search section on your mobile device, you have to search Discord there. After you search Discord there, you can see the very application of Discord on your mobile device. Now you have to tap on the very Discord application in order to launch your Discord application on your mobile device. After you launch Discord application on your mobile device, you need to follow the next steps as well. After that, you have to tap on any of the server that you wish. For example, I would like to delete my music server. After you tap on your very server, you have to go to the three dots on the top side. After you tap on the three dots on the top side, you have to go to the option of the settings. After you go to the option of the settings, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of overview and tap on overview. After you tap on overview, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of delete the server. And after you go to the option of delete the server, and after you go to the option of yes, your very server will be deleted from the very Discord application. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.